Most traders don't fail because they lack information. They fail because they can't handle the truth. The truth is brutal. It doesn't care about your opinions, your confidence, or how many books you've read. You can have all the indicators in the world, but if you can't control your emotions, when the market tests you, you lose. No warning, no mercy, no second chances. The market doesn't care who you are. It listens only to one thing: price and action. Welcome to Club Money Trading. Every trader begins same way with excitement. They open their first trade, make a small profit, and feel unstoppable. They think, I've cracked the code. But that first win, it's not a lesson, it's a trap. It rewards randomness and disguises it as skill. That false confidence turns beginners into gamblers. They start sizing up, ignoring structure, believing luck equals talent. And that's when the market strikes back. I made that mistake too. Early wins made me arrogant. But when I entered the real markets, the truth hit me like a hammer. Execution was slower, spreads were wider, and my so-called edge gone. Not because my strategy failed, but because I failed to respect risk. Confidence without structure is exposure. This game doesn't reward being right. It rewards survival. There is one mistake that destroys more traders than any other. Holding on to losing positions. It starts small. A little dip, a small pullback. You tell yourself it will recover. Then hope replaces logic. The longer you hold, the heavier it becomes emotionally, financially, mentally. Soon, the loss isn't just on your screen, it's in your mind. A small loss is a trade. A big loss is a mistake. And the difference between the two is time. Cut it fast. Every second you delay, you give your account to the market. Most traders don't have a system. They follow feelings, rumors, and telegram tips. That's not trading, that's guessing. A system protects you from chaos. It defines your entry, stop, and exit before emotion interferes. Without a system, you are not a trader. You are a gambler with good posture. A real trader doesn't predict, they execute. Because in trading, consistency beats brilliance every time. Emotions don't shout, they whisper. Hold a little longer. Take profit now. Don't miss this trade. Fear and greed, the two voices that destroy discipline. Fear freezes your hand when you should act. Greed blinds you when you should stop. You can't remove emotions, but you can control them. Discipline isn't being cold. It's being clear. It's following rules when your instincts scream otherwise. Another illusion that bigger size means bigger profit. It doesn't. It means bigger risk. I never entered full size. I tested. I confirmed. Then I added. You don't win by being bold. You win by being precise. One over-leveraged trade can erase years of discipline. And the trader who controls his position size controls his survival. Every trader loses. That's part of the game. But what you do after the loss defines you. Most traders blame the market, the news, or bad luck. Few look inward. A loss isn't failure, it's feedback. It shows whether your system worked or your discipline failed. If you study your loss, you grow. If you ignore it, you repeat it. The market keeps teaching, and it never stops until you finally learn. The need to always be in a trade. That's the disease of modern traders. They think being active means being productive. But in markets, doing nothing is sometimes the smartest move. The best trades come when the setup is clean and conditions align. The rest of the time, sit on your hands. Patience is not weakness. It's control. You are not paid for activity. You are paid for accuracy. Everyone has an opinion, brokers, friends, influencers, but the market doesn't reward borrowed conviction. Trade your own plan. Trust your own system. Because when things go wrong, and they will, only your discipline can save you. You heard the truth now, not theories, not tips, truth. Cut losses fast. Let profits run. Trade with structure, not emotion. Most traders fail, but you don't have to. The market isn't your enemy. Your habits are. Fix them, and the market becomes your mirror. What you give it, it gives back. Stay sharp. Trade with reason. And never forget what you've learned. If this message hit you, like, comment, and subscribe so more traders hear the truth before it's too late. This is Clap Money Trading, where we don't chase signals, we build traders.